Good days, everyone. So what we're going to check right now is the half reactions in, or the redox half reactions in acidic medium. So we're going to take the example for number 1 and also number 2. Okay, so on the other page, start. So for number 1, MnO4 negative, then Fe2 plus, these are your reactants, then Fe3 plus, Mn2 plus. Okay, let's start. So the first thing that you will do is to determine the charges or the oxidation number per element. So the problem here in this equation, you have the negative on MnO4, but that will be for the whole compound. Then the Fa2 plus, it's for the iron. Then the products, Fe3 plus, then the Fn2 plus. So the products are good, but let's go first to determine the Mn. So this is how you do it. So Mn plus 4 oxygen equals to -1. The negative here symbolizes -1. So how to determine the charges for Mn? Make sure, always remember that the charge for oxygen is always -2. Okay, so this will be your equation. Just replace oxygen with -2. So you can determine what will be the charge for Mn. So that's 4 times -2, that's -8. You transfer it on the other side, it will become positive. So that's +8. So that means Mn has a charge of +7. Okay. Erase this. Then if it is -7, that means Mn will have +7, oxygen is -2. So first thing that you will do is determine which is the elements that undergo oxidation and the reduction. But when you say reduction, let's put it this way. So let's say -1 here, and then this one is +2. Then this is 0. So if you will see that there is a decrease in the charges, that's reduction. But if you see there is an increase in the oxidation number, of course this is oxidation. Okay, let's go back. So in that case, Mn, if you're going to check it here, Mn going here, there is a decrease from +7 going to +2. So this is reduction. And Fe from +2 became +3, that means this is oxidation. So you're going to put it in its half reactions. The one that is oxidizing is Fe2 plus, then the product is Fe3 plus. The reduction, that's Mn plus 7O4, or It's just going to remove the charge for Mn. Okay. So that's MnO4 negative. Then the resulting product is Mn2 plus. Okay, let me just clear this out. So next is you balance the elements. So Fe1, the coefficient for Fe is 1, so that's good. Mn it's 1, but we have here 4 oxygen. So to balance oxygen, you need water. So you add on this other side H2O. So may water na. So that would be 4 water to make it 4 oxygen. Then next is you balance hydrogen. So that's 8 hydrogen plus using H plus. Okay. So for acidic medium, use H plus and H2O. For basic medium, for the basic, use OH negative. And oxygen and water. So this is your half reactions. The next thing that you're going to do is balance the electrons. So for Fe2 plus, it becomes 3 plus. So that means you're going to add here 1 electron on this side for Fe3 plus, because 3 plus minus 1 is 2 plus. So for reduction, MnO4 negative, you need to total all the charges. So that's -1 plus 8 for hydrogen. Then Mn is on the other side, it's 2 for Mn. The water is 0. That's it, because it doesn't have any charges. So that's +7, 2 plus. The difference is +5. So that means you're going to add 5 electrons here. That's 5 electrons on this side because +7 sila. Okay? So balance. Then next thing that you're going to do is match the electrons. So you're going to multiply the Fe, the oxidation half reaction, into using 5 number 5 to make it 5 electrons, so you can cancel this. So you rewrite the equation. That will be 5 Fe 2 plus, then for reduction, that's MnO4 negative plus 8H5. The product Fe 5 Fe +3, right, and Mn 2 plus 4 H2. So this will be your balance equation using, or balance equation in acidic medium. If you're going to convert it into, let's say the question asks you for basic medium, you're just going to add hydronium ions, so the OH negative. So let's try to balance it in a basic medium. Rewrite Fe 2 plus Mn plus MnO4 negative plus 8 OH plus, then 5Fe3 plus Mn 2 plus 4 water. So how many OH negative you're going to add? So it will depend on the hydrogen. If that's 8 hydrogen, that means you're going to add both sides 8 OH negative. OH negative. So this one, if you're going to combine it into making water, so that's 8. Okay, so hydrogen 8 plus 8, that's 16. So 8 times 2, 16. 8 oxygen, 8. So it's already, that will be your number of hydrogen. So that's water. So if there is 8 water here, we're going to cancel this and this. So what's left is H2 and this one. So that will be rewriting 2 plus MnO4 negative plus 4H2O and 5Fe3 plus 2 plus 8OH negative. So this will be your equation for basic medium, a balance equation. Okay, that's it.